my workroom at Adaptive Textiles, we've made Kapok filled inserts for our clients for 15 years. I'm thrilled today to share that we'll be offering 2 sizes of Kapok fill inserts to our professional workroom clients through the Workroom Marketplace. Now you might be wondering, what is Kapok and why do we love it so much? Well, Kapok is a natural fiber that comes from the seed pods of the kapok tree or the ceiba tree. Scientific name is Ceiba pitandra. It's native to neotropical areas from like Mexico down through the southern Amazon and parts of West Africa. Today, most kapok is cultivated in Indonesia, and it's sometimes referred to as Java cotton. The trees are really impressive and can live up to 300 years, some growing 200 feet tall with large, thorny trunks of up to 10 feet in diameter. They've been deemed sacred by the Mayans. Flowers open at night to lure bats in for their nectar, and the pollinated flowers become 6-inch seed pods containing the fluffy, yellowish fiber. Adult trees are prolific and produce 500 to 4,000 pods at a time. Kapok fiber is composed of lignin and cellulose. And if you remember from high school biology, those are structural components of plant cell walls. These components largely account for kapok's firmness and ability to maintain shape, and also its resistance to rot. However, it's also quite inelastic and very difficult to spin into yarn to manufacture fabrics, which is why you don't see it in our textiles. While not an ideal textile fiber, it is a great material for stuffing, and that's because it's super lightweight. It also has a small amount of wax content, which again from high school biology makes it hydrophobic, right? Fear of water, which contributes to its longevity even with moisture. Kapok is also very buoyant. It can support 30 times its own weight in water. Interesting part of its history is that it was used to fill life jackets in World War I and World War II, so much so that sailors would refer to their life jackets as their kapok. The popularity of this fiber has declined with the advent of synthetic fibers like polyurethane foams, for example, kind of took its place for the last 40 years. But it's made a resurgence recently because it's sustainable, hypoallergenic, cruelty-free. It's a great alternative to the microfibers and down and feather fills that we're all very familiar with. Kapok is a sustainable rainforest crop that contributes to the ecosystem. The trees don't need to be cut down in order to harvest the kapok pods, and unlike cotton, doesn't require herbicides and pesticides for its growth. I love kapok poufs, especially if they're used as footstools or ottomans. You could throw them around a living room. After the initial settling, they maintain their firmness for years. We've had some that have been out in our clients' homes for more than 15 years, and they're still as poofy as they were the first day we installed them. And poof covers are really fun to make too. I love this design. This is called The Root, and it's for the Roy Urban Collection. Specializes in traditional Yoruba art. You might also notice that the zipper that is inserted in this cover is 72 inches long. That allows it to wrap around 3 sides and into the 4th so that it can be easily taken on and off for cleaning. I hope you enjoyed this kapok tutorial. The poof inserts are available in 2 sizes at the Workroom Marketplace and can be shipped anywhere in the continental United States.